Shrija, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Savitha School of Engineering. Today I am going to explain about computer positioning, pointing and drawing devices. So first we will start with the definition of pointing device. Pointing device is an input interface that allows a user to input spatial data to computer. Spatial data means nothing but continuous and the multidimensional data. Positioning is the technology that refers to position the item on the screen to the new position. There are lot of positioning and pointing devices. Let us see all the devices one by one. First we will start with mouse. Mouse is developed by Douglas E. Engelbart in 1964. He designed the mouse with two wheels that slid across the desktop and transmitted XY coordinates to the computer. Here the mouse is carved inside an wooden box, carved and placed inside the wooden box. This has lot of disadvantages, so later new inventions has been proved. So after we are move to the next generation of mouse that consists of small plastic box resting on two metal wheels whose arcs are at right angles. Each wheel of the mouse is linked to a shaft encoder, and this shaft encoder will deliver an electrical pulse. The mouse will roll around the flat surface and the movement will be in two orthogonal directions, and these orthogonal directions is translated into rotation of the wheels. Then we can see about light pen and stylus. Light pen is also another pointing device, and here when light pen is pointed at an item on the screen, it generates the information from which the item can be identified by the program. It does not have any tracking hardware. Instead, it is performed by software. All light pen programs depend on rapid response from the pen when it is pointed on the screen. Fast response can be done with highly sensitive photocell such as photomultiplier tube. For accurate positioning system with touch sensitive surfaces, we will use stylus. Stylus is also a pointing device. Instead of pointing screen directly, a small pen-like plastic stick will be used to point and draw on the screen. Then we can move on to tablet. Tablet is also a positioning device, and it is used to describe a flat surface separate from the display on which user draws with the stylus. There are two types of tablet. One is acoustic tablet and another one is electroacoustic tablet. Then we can move on to joystick. Joystick is a symbol device with which movements of the stick causes a corresponding movement on the screen cursor. There are two types. One is absolute and isometric. Absolute means the position of the joystick in the base corresponds to the position of the cursor on the screen. Isometric means it is related to velocity control. Thank you.